Hi, I'm Nick Lovell. This is my final showing you my educational webpage. So here's the beginning. Okay, I'm from Omaha Northwest. We are the Huskies, so I put the logo behind it, and this is my PE slash weights website. So the home, I show what kind of our core values are about incorporating cardiovascular endurance and the use of the weight room and team games, working out. Then I embedded a video about why physical education is important. I think it's important for students to see that and know, and parents, they can look at this video so they understand the importance of physical education. And then I gave my contact information and my school phone. And then at the bottom, I can't really scroll through because the screen isn't wide. It has my name and my email again. So then go to the menu. We're going to kind of start off with just the curriculum. Maybe. So here's the curriculum page, and then when you scroll down, really some website, you can continue to scroll down and show everything. So here's my 5-week technology rich PE lesson plan on the 5 components of fitness, and then keep scrolling down. Oop, went a little too far. And then my actual lesson plan right here that shows kind of what's going on with the anticipatory set, the objectives, gradual release of instruction, use PowerPoint with through Microsoft Teams, and the kids can be on their iPads and then input their things in. Thinking, pair, share, and why cardiovascular endurance is important. And then I want them to get into groups of 4 and then go, oh, am I not? I guess we'll find out. They will get in groups of 4, and then they will actually do their 10 minutes of cardiovascular endurance within their group, and then teach it to the class. So whether that's doing running a mile, push-ups. Well, probably wouldn't be more push-ups. It'd be more like running and stuff like that. Just different workouts that you can do, biking, all that stuff that the kids can teach. So then scroll back up on the other side. So that's the curriculum part. I really hope this records, because I don't know what it is. Then I go to my assessment. Okay. Scroll down, and then the form is already inputted right there. So they have a components test. They click on what they think it is and sign their names and everything and submit. But what I really like about this is that I could input, just tell the students to go to the assessment portion of the page, input whatever test I have. They could go to my website and go ahead and go right into the components test. So I really like that option. So multiple people don't do it. I think I'll eventually just make it a button, or they have to sign in. But I really like that it's already embedded in from the Google form to the Google Classroom or the Google site. And then digital citizenship. This is my educational image that I created. Digital law. My wife's a lawyer, so big guy. Like, she teaches me all about that stuff, and it's really cool. And I don't know, big fan of The Simpsons. And then the legal rights and restrictions governing technology use. And I think students really need to understand digital law more than a lot of the other places, so they know that they're abiding by the rules. And then I just have quick links to embrace the 9 themes of digital citizenship, and then a link to digital law that provides information related to digital law if students want to learn more about it. Then go up. And then the newsletter, I just put in a button for the OPS newsletter. That's right there. I'll probably make that a little bit better, but that's kind of what I got going on, and that is my PE website that I really enjoyed doing, and I'll probably start using for my class. Thank you very much.